I just got a new coffee table and have needed some new coasters, so thank you to the brand for sending me this sample. I want to go through and answer some of the questions that you have about these because I know because they're the same questions I had when I was trying to decide if these were the right coasters. So hopefully this can help you make an educated decision. Of course you want to know is how they look in person. And this is the wood tile design. And when I saw them on Amazon, I actually thought they were wood tile because of how they look. And even in person, they look like wood tile, but it's not. It's felt, which is great because that means that they're going to be absorbent. And I'm going to show you that in a second. But I love the way that they look. And then on the other side is the rubber so that they don't slip, right? That's important so that when you put something down and it's a drink, it's not going to slide around. Why is that important? I have grandkids and they're always running around and bumping into things. So I don't want drinks sliding around on my surface, on my table. Really good non-slip bottom, so I like that. I really do like the way that these look in person. Another question I had is in terms of the size. Will this fit the glasses and drinks that I'm using the most? So I'm gonna start with the biggest. And this is my quart size glass. I either have an iced coffee in or this is my electrolytes drink. And I live in Arizona, so in the summertime it is sweating like the dickens. But yeah, totally fits that quart size glass. Here are my glasses that I drink my water out of, no problem. And then of course my evening glass of Pinot Grigio, not a problem at all. So really great size no matter your cup size. And I'm also going to use these when I have a hot cup of coffee or soup or something, right? Because I don't want to leave a mark on my table. So definitely fits that as well. And this, because it is felt, heat resistance, you can put hot things on here, not a problem. So let's talk about absorbency. It is summertime here in Arizona. Everything I am drinking is just dripping water. So I thought it would be fun to just kind of test it on camera. I'm gonna come super close. I'm gonna pour water onto this and we're gonna see. So there's an up close of the coaster. Here is my water. Let's pour it on. All right, here we go. Completely absorbent. I put a lot on there, probably like 3 or 4 tablespoons. But yeah, I mean, very absorbent. I don't think you have to worry about absorbency with these. So if you're looking for some super cute coasters with a great design and something that is nice on the wallet and budget friendly, these are a really great option. This is a big yes for me.